Your house isn't small. It isn't old. It isn't just lived in. It looks cheap, and I can tell exactly why. Today, we're exposing 10 cleaning habits that instantly downgrade your home. No renovation required. Let's begin. Cleaning only what's at eye level. If it looks clean standing up, but filthy sitting down, that's a problem. People don't notice spotless counters. They notice dusty edges, grimy corners, and that one shelf you forgot existed. Cheap homes rely on angles. Expensive homes are clean all the way around, leaving streaks and calling it good enough. Nothing screams, I tried for 30 seconds, like streaky surfaces. Shiny things are supposed to shine. If they look foggy, smeared, or emotionally tired, your home just lost 5 imaginary resale points. Streaks don't say busy, they say rushed and done with life. Ignoring doors, handles, and switches. These are the most touched spots in your entire house. If everything else looks fine, but these are dirty, people subconsciously think, what else is being ignored? High end homes feel clean because even the boring parts are handled, letting floors decide their own personality. Floors set the tone. If they're dull, sticky, or crunchy in certain areas, your house immediately feels lower effort. You can have nice furniture and still lose the vibe if the floor feels like it has opinions. Clean floors make everything else look intentional. Overloading surfaces with functional mess. Just because you use it doesn't mean it needs to live there. When every counter, table, and shelf is covered, your home looks cluttered, not cozy. Expensive spaces breathe. Cheap ones are holding their breath. Using too many cleaning products at once. This one hurts. Mixing everything together doesn't make it cleaner, it makes residue. Residue makes surfaces dull. Dull makes your home look tired. If it feels sticky after you clean, something went wrong. Forgetting the sink finish line. A dirty sink ruins the illusion of cleanliness faster than anything else. You can clean the entire room, but if the sink looks neglected, your brain says, nope, not clean. A clean sink is the punctuation mark of the room. Without it, the sentence feels unfinished. Letting trash linger too long. Overflowing bins instantly lower the tone of a space. Doesn't matter how nice your decor is, if the trash looks full, your house looks full of problems. High end homes take trash out early. Cheap homes wait until it becomes a situation. Using old, dingy cleaning tools. If the thing you clean with looks worse than the dirt, it's sabotaging you. Dirty tools spread dirt. They also make you clean faster just to escape the task. That rushed energy shows in the results. Cleaning reactively instead of routinely. Only cleaning when something looks bad guarantees your home always feels behind. Cheap looking homes are in constant recovery mode. Clean looking homes stay ahead of the mess. Routine beats intensity every time. Final truth. Your home doesn't look cheap because of money, it looks cheap because of habits. Small cleaning details create big visual upgrades. And once you fix these 10 things, everything else suddenly looks better. No remodel, no shopping, just smarter effort. If this video just made you look around your house differently, subscribe. Because we don't do surface level clean here. We do, why does a space suddenly feel expensive clean? Hit subscribe and stop letting tiny habits downgrade your entire home.